Well, we just finished fueling up before our big hop over to Scotland. Everything's ready, so now we got what, a three-day sail ahead of us to get to Scotland. So, any final last words, Anna?
No final last words.
We got out into the ocean a little bit, away from land. The wind's picked up. Now we got about 14 knots of wind, and we're cruising along at good 5, 6 knots. But unfortunately, the thing is it's raining, so everything's all wet and basically cold. Here we are in the North Sea, middle of July. We're both bundled up pretty good. It's definitely time for us to start heading south to get some warm weather. Wouldn't you agree, Anna?
I agree. I'm sitting here. I have like 2 sweaters on. I have a fleece jacket, 2 jackets, and my own this cover up. No, we need to go head south. We need some warm weather.
Even though we were in the middle of summer, the cold was always with us. Sometimes being bundled up is not enough to keep the cold at bay. That's when a nice hot meal helps.
How's it going down there, Anna?
It's going good. Cooking dinner.
First time cooking dinner underway?
You ask that every time. I think you're going to start saying yes every time. Yes, first time cooking dinner underway.
Oh wow, how's it going?
Going pretty good.
Wow, first time?
First time.
What do we have for dinner?
We are having some hot buns in the oven, and then we have some meat soup going.
Perfect on a cold
day.
Yeah.
A real Swedish köttsup.
Soup. Good.
After a cold and uneventful night, we were greeted the next day by dolphins. Seeing dolphins always seemed to brighten people's mood no matter how cold or tired they are.
Your experience seeing dolphins for the first time?
Awesome!
Is it?
Awesome! I was asleep, but you just came, wake me up and said, like, yeah, you want to see the dolphins? And I just jumped right up bed, and there they were. There were so many of them too.
So even though we're sleep deprived and everything, seeing dolphins always brightens the day. There's quite a few of them too, and they're playing in the bow of the boat, going underneath the boat and everything. It's really cool, actually. Not sure if the camera will pick it up, but there's our first oil rig that we're passing by. Now we've entered the oil field, so we got a lot more of the rest of the journey that we need to watch out for. Okay, finally the wind is starting to come back in a little bit. We got about 11 knots of wind. Finally got the sails back out, as you can hear. No motor, yay, good thing. And here we're coming to our second oil rig, our third oil rig. I'm not sure if the camera will pick it up, but there it is. It's a big oil rig out there. Let's stay far away from it though. Now we're going to get something to eat and prepare for our night sailing.
The dolphins are back.
Sailing into the sunset, going into our second night, we were greeted once again by dolphins. They seemed to come by just to say hello and to let us know that the night would be calm and uneventful.
I don't know if you can see this. We are true wind is 23. Speed is about 5. We're heeling 15 degrees. We reefed in pretty good. The wind come up. We know it was going to come up.
In true North Sea fashion, the wind picked up, and in the afternoon of the third day, it started blowing 20 to 25 knots with gusts up to 30 knots.
We're like 24 true wind. Actually, 25 true wind.
I know.
And
It's a gust, man.
så här det ser feel.
Oh, now it feels good now that it's all reefed down, but you know, it's always a pain in the ass to, you know, when it starts gusting up. I mean, we were already reefed before, but you know, I figured that the wind was going to come up. I could see it coming. That's why I wanted to get more reef in. But you know, it's always a pain when shit's flapping and everything else like that.
Yeah.
So, but we're reefed down now, so it can blow as much as it wants. I mean, we got the jib and the mainsail reef, so we're done.
After a night with over 20 knots of wind, we finally entered the territorial waters of the UK. The Q flag should be flown as soon as a vessel has entered territorial waters. This signals that the vessel is free of disease and requests boarding and inspection by custom and immigration. Once cleared into the country, the Q flag is replaced by the courtesy flag.
We see land ahoy.
Land hoy.
Land hoy.
Not ahoy. Ahoy is high.
Okay, land hoy.
Land ho.
Land ho. See, I have a problem with this. Land ho. We see Scotland. Land ho. Land ho.
Land ho. Land ho.
Well, maybe if I say it enough times, I won't mess it up. Land ho.
We're in Scotland now. We've been cleared in already, so that means we can go straight to the marina, no problems, and walk around. Now, for some reason, we see a bunch of people over there, down by the water's edge, and we were looking at them, and all of a sudden we seen dolphins jumping up.
Let's see, where is the greeting team? Here they are! Wow! Yeah, right here!
So this is what greets us when we first come to Scotland. A bunch of dolphins jumping in front of people on the beach. And just like that, we're in Inverness and we're moored up. Anna!
Yes!
Scotland!
Scotland!
You did it!
Yes. I stepped on the ground. I didn't scream freedom! No, I guess I should have. Take that away.
What? No. What? Now you relate to Braveheart?
Yes.
How?
That's Scotland to me. I love that movie. Oh, I'm not doing it. Are you going to put it on?
Yeah.
Can we do a do-over?
No do-overs. That's that. That's going out.
I like to be here. I like to be here. We're in Scotland. It feels good.
If you enjoy our video, don't forget to like and subscribe.